In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock LinkedIn profile. If you want to keep your information limited to people you choose, locking your profile is a quick way to control what the public can see, especially those who aren't signed into LinkedIn or find you through search engines. Start by opening LinkedIn and make sure you're on your main feed, also known as the home page. This is the default screen after you sign in with your news updates and posts. From here, look toward the top navigation bar and click the Me icon. It's the one with your profile photo and a small drop down arrow. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This opens your account settings where all your privacy controls live. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Click Visibility. This section is all about who can see your profile and activity. Within Visibility, find and click Edit Your Public Profile. LinkedIn may open this in a new tab or window. You'll see a preview of how your profile appears to people who aren't logged into LinkedIn alongside a panel of controls on the right. In that right-hand panel, look for the option labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. This is the master switch that determines whether your profile is visible to the public at all. To lock your profile, toggle this setting off. When it's off, your profile won't appear to people who are not signed in, and it becomes much harder for search engines to index your profile information. A few helpful notes here. Turning off public visibility affects what non-logged in viewers can see. It doesn't remove your profile from LinkedIn for members you're connected to or for those who meet your other visibility settings. If you ever want to reopen your profile to the public, just return to the same place and toggle it back on. Also, search engines can take time to update their results, so even after you lock your profile, old cached previews may linger for a bit before they refresh. If you're doing this on mobile, the labels are the same. Go to your profile menu, open Settings and Privacy, tap Visibility, then edit your public profile and turn off your profile's public visibility. That's all there is to it. You've now locked your LinkedIn profile and taken control of how much the public can see. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials.